Once upon a time, in a distant kingdom nestled between towering mountains and lush forests, there was a radiant princess named Alara. She was beloved by her people, not just for her beauty, but for her kindness and wisdom. Alara's heart was as vast as the ocean, and her laughter was the music that brought joy to the kingdom. Princess Alara had a secret place deep in the heart of the enchanted forest where she would retreat to escape the pressures of palace life. This place, known as the Silver Glade, was a hidden meadow surrounded by ancient trees and filled with wildflowers. It was here that Alara felt truly free, and it was also where she met her one true love, a humble woodcutter named Aiden. Aiden was a man of integrity, with a soul as gentle as Alara's. He and the princess would spend hours in the Silver Glade, talking about their dreams and hopes. They knew their love was forbidden, but it only made their bond stronger. They vowed to find a way to be together, no matter the cost. As the years passed, King Alistair, Alara's father, began to pressure her to marry a prince from a neighboring kingdom to secure a political alliance. Alara, torn between her duty to her kingdom and her love for Aiden, grew increasingly despondent. She knew she couldn't betray her heart, but she also couldn't forsake her people. One fateful day, Alara and Aiden decided to run away together. Under the cover of darkness, they made their way to the Silver Glade, where they pledged their love once more and prepared to leave the kingdom behind. However, their plans were foiled by a treacherous courtier who had been spying on them. He reported their intentions to King Alistair, who, in a fit of rage, dispatched his soldiers to capture the couple. As dawn broke, the Silver Glade was surrounded by the king's guards. Aiden, trying to protect Alara, was struck down by an arrow. With her love dying in her arms, Alara was captured and taken back to the palace, where she was locked away in the highest tower, her heart shattered. The kingdom mourned the loss of their beloved princess. Alara, consumed by grief, refused to eat or drink. Her vibrant spirit withered away, and she became a shadow of her former self. The people of the kingdom could feel the sorrow that hung over the palace, a sorrow that seemed to seep into the very walls. King Alistair, realizing too late the depth of his daughter's love for Aiden, was overcome with guilt. He tried to console Alara, but his efforts were in vain. The light in her eyes was gone, and her heart was broken beyond repair. As the days turned to weeks, Alara's health declined rapidly. On a cold, gray morning, the kingdom awoke to the heartbreaking news that Princess Alara had passed away in her sleep. The people wept openly in the streets, mourning the loss of their gentle princess. The palace was draped in black, and a somber silence fell over the land. Alara was laid to rest in the Silver Glade, beside her beloved Aiden. The wildflowers that once brought her joy now covered their graves, a beautiful yet poignant reminder of their tragic love. The enchanted forest, which had witnessed their happiest moments, now stood as a solemn guardian over their eternal rest. The kingdom, forever changed by the loss of their princess, vowed to remember Alara's legacy of love and kindness. King Alistair, racked with guilt, dedicated his remaining years to ruling with compassion and understanding, in honor of his daughter's memory. The Silver Glade became a place of pilgrimage, where people would come to pay their respects and remember the story of the princess who loved so deeply and died of a broken heart. And so, the tale of Princess Alara and Aiden became legend, a story of love and loss that would be told for generations, a reminder that true love, though it may end in tragedy, is a light that never truly fades.